a dream I know. Deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name, amen. I get video wey I wan present to una this very moment, and I go dey follow una dey watch the video. After we don watch am together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
This is Onajite Igho. Onajite Igho is from the coastal region of Biafra land. And Robo and his own tribe of Biafra. You know, there's something that we normally tell people. Before you will know maybe we are mad, or before you will know maybe we are crazy about this very family, about this very IPOB, this our IPOB. Before you go know say we truly the mad. Now when the leadership don't declare you as our enemy, the person of and we, for here normally we not call names because nobody will, all those ones they're too small. And after all, those ones we don't go before. Only God know what to kill Ucheme for. I don't know, maybe that they play pranks on those people, those new saboteurs, those new set of saboteurs, where they shout up and down. Those new set of saboteurs, where they shout up and down. Where they just push you come off for IPOB. Where those evil people, where they just push you come off for IPOB. You know, before you can see Onajite come on head, I don't discuss individual. In fact, on this platform, we don't discuss individual. We don't discuss individual. We don't discuss individual, and there's a reason for that. Only when we go be a problem to you. Now, when you try to day against this very family, those people where they, you know, when we told our people that these people, they are trying to hijack this family, they are trying to destroy POB structure. They say you people are doing this. You people are jealous. They are jealous of jealous of food. Now they have bring out their plan. They say they launch leadership. They want share IPOB. Just imagine this very lady that was expelled, that was thrown out, kicked out of IPOB. We, the people of the coastal region of Biafra, I have the mandate of my people to speak here. What I am doing here today, if you never hear them from my mouth before, make you the hear them today. My leader told me to be doing what I am doing here today. You know, say if I speak, they will say you get pride. Don't they pride? My leader gave me the mandate. And I am speaking on the behalf of the coastal region. I believe on Sunday, tomorrow, I mean next tomorrow, our comrade, they will troop in here. They will troop in here. And we are going to address issues that matters. But I am doing this. The people of the coastal region, we are very in full support of the head of directorate, Mazi Chika Edoziem. If you not hear him before me, hear him now. We are more than we are more than support of Mazi Chika Edoziem. Those of now who they tell that time say these people that they use una, they are just attacking individuals. They are attacking each other. And you, when you no get sense, you go join them. So, HOD, DS na this, DS na that. DOS now this, DOS now that. The people of the coastal region, we are fully in support of this very leadership. And we support, and in fact, we are more than supportive to the order, to the memo that Mazi Chika Edoziem, the head of the Directorate of State of IPOB, the indigenous people of Biafra, we are more than in support of the memo that he issued. Any animal, I repeat, any animal, any e-goat or she-goat will not behave himself, they go follow the same way. If you think, say, maybe you don't arrive, you don't get viewers for social media, then you go challenge this leadership. I tell you, say you fail. I tell you, say you fail. And those of you who are saying, Chika Edoziem, DOS or whatever, they have not issued statement concerning Anambra election. I am telling you today that we will not have any election in Anambra. I'm not speaking because even yesterday when I was speaking to the head of directorate, he also gave that we should not issue any official statement. It will be 4 to 5 days, even if it be 1 week to the election. IPOB will issue their statement, they will issue their stand, and the stand shall be final before they go meet our leader for DSS dungeon to come pressurize Chika Edoziem to lift the non-election ban, to lift her before they will come pressurize them. Election time don't pass. Election time don't pass. In I say Chika Edoziem time don't come clear. Say you no go come on social media. Come they tell you say we don't want election so that now go quickly go pressurizing them for DSS dungeon. He go come pass emotional message to Chika Edoziem that I not go fit do anything because now from leader. Not saying I go fit do just the way when I do this sit at home. The order of Chika Edoziem still stand. As a Biafran, you can sit at home, no problem. Even if you want to sit at home all the days, no problem. Go ahead. After I got their family for Biafran land, but they also sit at home. Does it mean that I am against the order of my leadership, of the leadership? They are also sitting at home. Not be everything person go use mouth tell you before you go get sense. But that is the stand. I repeat, that is the stance of the leadership, and the stance remain. Any animal, any idiot will go against the order, the might, that is the might where IPOB leadership get. It's too much. The zoo force, they not go fit withstand that. We are whiter than white. We are whiter than snow. As far as Chika Edoziem is concerned, coastal region of Biafra, we are in full support of him. And those of us, let me make this very clear, because since this issue has been speculating around the social media, I have never, talked about it. There is something that happens that some people want to take advantage. They want to use it as a negative advantage to poison the mind of our people in the coastal region. But we are more intelligent than you. Forget saying they see us for social media like this. We are more smarter than you think or you can imagine. We are. It is the issue of my mother, my own mother, my mother, Madam Josephine Erewa. Not just my mother, the mother of the coastal region of Biafra land. Not just my mother. He is also the mother of the coastal region of Biafran land. The issue that was speculating, DOS have bias. They don't collect money. They want sideline coastal region. There is no coastal away that they sideline. I made this very clear, and I made this I made this announcement. I pronounce it loud and clear. I have about half an hour discussion concerning only this very topic with head of directorate yesterday. Almost this time yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. And everything was cleared after every investigation that I have did concerning this issue. And the head of directorate made it clear to me. Coastal region is not, we don't associate with this struggle. This struggle also belongs to, now we give the name Biafra. The Biafra way they carry up and down today, now we call the name, now we give the name Biafra. And we are part and parcel. We are part and parcel of this struggle. What I am doing today, my leader gave me the mandate to do it. Anything you see me saying here, anything you see me doing on this platform of Coastal Biafran TV, my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, see him, I open my mouth, I talk him. He gave me the mandate, direct mandate to do so. That is the reason why I make they look and say maybe who be this guy where Chike Dozem they fit explain things to. He no look my age, oh. He no be by age. Chike Dozem no look my age. Because he is ordered to do so. He is following the order of my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So if I have something that concerns the coastal region, if I go to him, it is his duty to explain to me, and he did. You people just want to blackmail this man. What thing happened, Biafran? Say they don't remove Madam Josephine Erewa from DOS. They have removed him. It is leader that put her there. They have removed her. They have sidelined the coastal region. They want to sideline the coastal region. If you don't know anything, why can't you just keep quiet? Because you make more sense when you're keeping silence. You know, in one of my videos, I said something. I said, I know how Mazi Chike Dozem and our supreme leader, I know where we don't work together, Rich. I have a personal, that is a one-on-one relationship, a relationship of son and father with my leader before he's kidnapped. Before he was kidnapped. This is the kind of relationship I have with him. And I still going on till this moment I'm speaking to you. Madam Josephine Erewa, she is my mother. She is my mother. Go and ask her. She is my mother. Nobody removed her from DOS. The DOS forum has been closed down because people are now taking personal issues. They are now bringing personal issues. Things that happen within them personally. Hatred that they had with themselves personally. They are now bringing it to the forum of DOS. And HOD told them that this was not the reason why I created this platform. I created it for we all to be able to think together and bring up something that will quicken the freedom of our nation, of our dear nation, Biafra. Not for you people to be gossiping, attacking each other personalities. If you have any allegation, come on. Don't just, you could just, me now, if you come now, accuse you when you watch me now. If he come accuse you, say you thief my money. If I not get any evidence, even say truly Tifam, if I not get any evidence, police they go just look, they even fit give me fine. Say, why will I stress them to come when I not get any evidence? Say, you thief my money. You yourself, you go even fit carry me go court. Now so it be for Western world. Now your papa and your mama, now then they confuse. You see this very family, it stands and nothing, no gate of hell will fall it down. No gate of hell will fall this very family down. If you don't like waiting at the all, you disappear. Thank God on Ajite no be those people where they find popularity. I know they look for popularity inside APOB. If you want to know who on Ajite be, before they go talk on Ajite, don't they brag? Some people say they go, before some of my people say they will say, oh, wait till they do now. Only you won't come to collect the glory. I'm not taking any glory of anything that I am doing. They go and ask my leader and go and ask the leadership. I am here. I don't just jump into issue. Before you will see me come out and speak, know that I have every evidence. He confirmed to me the DOS platform is no more existing. Everybody was removed from that very platform. Nobody go remove our mama because number one, she has not done anything to warrant that. Only not go create another nation now. Only not go create another Biafra. She's still a hardcore. She's a mother that has sacrificed a lot for this very struggle. And I, Onajite, I respect her. She's my mother. So nobody remove her from the DOS. I make my findings. I make all my findings before I come as a chica to confirm. And Oni has not done anything that will warrant the leadership to remove her from DOS. She has not done anything. And she's still part. When I mean part and parcel of the DOS. Who told you? Those of you where they carry rumor. The only person where we get for inside DOS. Who told you that it is only from the coastal region that is in DOS? IPOB, I Court. We have Costana representing us there. The I Court in IPOB. Even our leader did something. Those people who actually wanted to judge the case of our leader Ucheme for that year, they are the one that the structure has arranged that I think there are 4 or 5 people that are well endowed with wisdom and knowledge. We have our co-standers among those 5 people who are representing us in their midst. In every aspect of IPOB leadership, the co-standers are well represented. And we have never been sidelined. Anybody carrying rumor, they are sidelining Coastana region, they are removing Coastana, it is lie. I, Onajite, said so. I, Onajite, said so. This will also give you this is another reason for you to make sure that you share this video so that I can get to anybody carrying rumor. Tell them if they have any question, let them call me to ask me. If they need any clarification, tell them to call me to ask me. My mother, Madam Josephine Erewa, is still in DOS. She's still part and parcel of the Directorate of State. Nobody removed her. Nobody removed her. So those of you carrying gossiping, I don't know why some people, as you just grow rich, you be family man, you get wife, you get children. You go just the social media, they gossip. Your wife know they look your phone. Your wife know they ask you, so what do they do for social media? She know they ask. Your children know they ask you. If you could come see you for social media and gossip, they gossip. You know get head where you they think. No get head where you they think. You think your gossip, your backbiting, your evil acts go fit divide this family or go fit bring down this leadership. You see this very platform, it is white and it is holy, ordained by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Listen to me, oh. I know they speak P. I know they speak Janjaweed. I know they speak Fufude for here. It is ordained by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And this very platform will guide its leadership jealously, unconditionally. If I tire for IPOB, the only thing I will do, I will hand over the platform back to the owner. The co-standers will carry their representative, another representative go give the leadership. I remove my hand for IPOB. I keep mute forever. Forever, not before some meantime. I will keep mute forever. Instead of me on agitated to go so low to the essence I will come. This IPOB. How I want carry, it not even sweet for my mouth. It not fit flow for my mouth. It not fit flow. It not fit flow for my mouth. It is painful, say they carry our leader. It is painful. And we are taking our time. You know the reason why the Zulu government are not shaking body? Because the coasterners have refused to respond. Because the coasterners have not responded yet. And we are quickening everything we are doing. And by God's grace, unless no be God creates this struggle, now all our plan no go work. Now every of our plan, he no go give results. Very soon, you know say now like this, now they always hear them. In a fit not hear them from this platform, but very soon now go the hear. Now go the share and I go even share them. Tag this very platform, and if I see them, I go laugh. I go laugh. I go laugh. Those of you will not get idea, it better you keep mouth. Just keep quiet. It better you keep quiet. Why must you bring out your stupidity to the media? Why must you bring... You don't know that it is good that you keep mute than for you to talk today. Tomorrow you go talk another thing. Next tomorrow now another thing you go talk. You think say anybody go feel destroy this family? Do you think so? In your own myopic thinking, do you think so? The ones where they don't ban for IPOB, they are now story. We don't talk about, even when they say we not talk about them, not being now where they don't use them play shot, go play penalty, go throwing. Now we won't come to talk about them. They are irrelevant. We are facing the real enemies. We are facing them. Do you know what we are doing in IPOB now? We they use finger like this. Finger they push all those dirty way they inside. They push them come out. With the focus. Our eye is there for the enemy. So notice our eye come out for the enemy. And go and ask the enemy. The enemy themselves, they understand. They understand. Nobody, if you remove Madam Josephine Erowa for IPOB, she's my mother. She is my mother. Go and ask her. I not think say get anybody where mama don't lash the way she dey lash me. No be that kind lash, you know. Abeg. No be that. I mean flogging with mouth. I beg, no be that kind lash. Flogging with mouth. She's my mother. Everything we are being able to do in coastal region, she's also in full support with our help and help of some great comrades. We are not going to mention names. We are not going to mention names. These are people whom I respect. I respect them to death. They know they come media. I not go see their face for media. What do concern them with media? What do concern these people with media? Go to media, go they shout your shout. You don't concern them. They are working tirelessly. They work. They don't even they look who go give them accolade. I don't say maybe in future if our leader see this video, he gonna not be me they do all those things. Not be on a GT. Now them they do them. But leader said not even they, because I see the leader they know say not be me they do them. I'm talking it, I'm saying it live on live program. We have machineries who are doing the work. I'm just a presenter. Madam Josephine Erewa, she's a great mother. And she must see Biafra before she will old and see her children before she will join her ancestors. She will celebrate years upon years in Biafra land. Great people from the east, west, north and south of the land in the world, they will come to her for counseling because she's a great mother. Nobody removed her in IPOB. And those of you who are trying to create confusion, let me tell you this, you have failed. You have failed. The question I keep asking these people, which they have refused to answer, let's assume that you people, let's assume that we too, we are very foolish, we are very myopic thinkers. You know, we now join you people castigating the leadership. We refuse to listen to truth. We refuse to investigate to know the truth. We join you people, we castigated the leadership. We bring them down to the bottom pit. They are no more existing. Odogo. Now, if Fulani Janjaweed came to invade our father and our mother, raping our families, our siblings, our relations in Biafra land, who is going to give order? Who is going to give order to ESN to go and defend our people? Who will form them? This same leadership. Then what is your reason for bringing them down? Anything that the only thing that the leadership needs from us now, every hardcore, the only thing they need from you is to make sure that you pull your weight, pull your support behind Chike Edozien, to make sure that Chike Edozien succeed. Let him have the confidence to do those things that people think are impossible. Pull your weight behind him. Let him feel your presence. Let him feel your support. So that he can do the needful. But if you choose the other way, you will end up in shame. I repeat, you will end up in shame because nothing where you fit talk for this world. Nothing where you go fit talk for this world we go change our loyalty to the leadership. And I want you guys to share this message so that it can get to those who are propagating lies and deceit. Our mother, anything we only talk, no, he has a right to say it. Now our mother, she's a mother. If we dey talk about mothers inside this struggle today, I don't think anybody senior honey among them. I don't think. And if we go even have, I don't think say they go reach 5. So anything way she talk, we cannot question her. She's our mother. And I respect her. Because I don't, if I don't, it gets the kind game, it get the kind area where me and you go for work. I go know say this person really genuine. People when they do something we they know they look for who go give them accolade. With waiting this old woman, no be young woman, no. With waiting this woman do. I say, Mama, I won't make me and you present this thing to leader. Say, nah, you, through you, now you will do this thing. Say, oh, Najite, please, go. I've done my own. I have done my own. I don't need to. This is whom this woman is. She's hardcore. Not the people will go do something, they go bounce on that thing. Make them not say, let me do this thing, let me do this thing. The woman, an old woman. But we will be young people. Wait till she fit doing. We know fit do am. We know fit do am. Now be the truth. If you gel, you see, let me tell you something, Biafran. This is where we are getting it wrong. Just the only thing you need to do in this struggle, locate your calling in this struggle. Not be everybody go come social media come talk. No, you see, some of my comrades, some of them, if they're on platform, they talk like this. You go to say they put engine for their belly. Because nobody say now the grace we God don't give them. I can never talk better than them. I can never speak accurately more than them. I cannot analyze. It don't be like this our brother Samuel Ekpa. The grace we God don't give him. Of course, he don't go, he don't delay. Let me make it very clear. I don't mention names. And I know say this one where I do so. I go collect questions. But I'm just using it as an example. I don't castigate anybody, individual on this very platform. I know say they go question me. So why do I call names? And I'm ready to pay the fine. I'm ready to face the consequence on this one. But I don't call name to castigate anybody or to destroy anybody or to address any individual. No. This guy, God give him his own grace. He gets his own grace. If person they do something, appreciate them. No, they look and say this person they do this, I must bring them down. The grace where God don't give why Biafrans don't even think. The grace where God don't give Chika, it doesn't. No human being for IPOB get them. No human being. No human being for inside this IPOB will do that. No human being for go fit do what Chika doesn't they do. Nobody. It just did like my sister, Effie. If they get, nobody, everybody gets his own ups and downs. Everybody gets his own comma. No problem. That is not the problem. Let us move on with love. If you do something, you do them wrong, you correct yourself. That is it. The guy they talk like who carry engine for Bele. If he there for platform, you go there for social media, you go they talk, you go to say na radio, you go to say the plug wire for in yash when they make and they talk. Now grace where God give her. No, if you jealous am, you know go fit do what she they do. I mean, my sister Tamano to na here go talk. No journalists where we get for inside Biafra. From radio Biafra to normal bloggers, nobody will go fit. Where if we stand the way the girl they do her own journalism, do our own journalism. I on Najita not go fit do am. Waiting that girl they do as is this small where they portable so. Na small but na mighty. I no go fit do wetin she dey do. I no get that grace. No, so I no need to jealous because if I stop am, I no go fit do am. I go literally be shamed. We all should come together and move, support this leadership and move forward. Face the enemy like never before. Because this family not go fail and this leadership not go fail. If not that one they still the ring for your head, remove them. Remove them. Anybody wey don dey comot for line, let them come back to line. Nobody go fit destroy this leadership. If not that one they ring for your brain, when they make you think say, let me keep on doing it. Very soon the Biafra will give up on them. No Biafra will give up on them. Does I remove anybody for IPOB platform? They are still following order. Now those animals where they come social media, they disgrace themselves. Now only those animals. Everybody get their grace. You know if you carry the grace we Onajite get. Some people say, Onajite, which day you enter? Somebody say, Onajite, which day you enter this struggle? How come you do all these things? Now the grace we God give me. And when I come into the struggle, the first thing I tell Oputamono to do for me, tell me the area where I can work. I have been offered many positions in IPOB. I reject them. Many positions. I have been offered many offices in IPOB. I reject. I don't want any of them. Even when before they kidnapped my leader. I have been offered, but I don't need any of this. Just leave me for that small place where for the work. Now where my grace they be that. Let me continue doing what I know I can do to support my people, to help my people. If that one don't pass, anything where you go put me, I go fail. If you carry me go, this is what I do for social media. Not be my calling. I am just trying to show my own, should I say, I'm just playing an extra role. And I'm not dragging. I'm not forcing myself into it. If I not get it, I will remove myself. So if you see me say I can't social media, I can't talk, me no say it gets something I want to clarify. Something where they affect my people, where I want to clarify. Now you go make me come social media, I can't talk. We get machine. People will be saying that some of this. They like this guy. I dey always get, even if you now go ask him, he go tell now. I dey ask him, you they put, you get radio where they talk for your belly. I dey always ask him, they put radio inside your belly. Now the grace we God give him. And she go they talk him everything on point, oh, on point. Not because she go they join the talk anyhow. She they talk on point. You go deal with them. You go be like say you nearly come the program. If you go blessed in program nearly they start. Now who should be that? So why will I they drag me to follow and drag your own position? Or I go fit play my role join our own. I won't join my own. Why? Why all this jealousy? Why all this jealousy about Chika Edoziem? Why all this bitterness about Chika Edoziem? If you get any private issue with Chika, why you not fit go find him? Even if you beat him, make he carry scars for face. That one we do una. He don't consign us. But say you go attack Chika Edoziem or attack this very leadership, attack IPOB, you are a mad person. You have failed. If you get any personal issue with them, go settle down with them. It's none of my business. If I hear say one person now, oh, Chika Edoziem, he blow up, maybe they get personal issue. You don't concern me. Because I don't know what in the drag reach there. But as far as this IPOB is concerned, you dare not. You dare not. You have to understand that. Why all this jealousy? Why? What will be your gain if Chike doesn't fail? Wetin be the thing wey go give you? Wetin be the pleasure where you go get in you if Chike doesn't fail? All the good news where they hear, where they share. Why don't one not even fit change your mind if to say you no be demo? You just say those good news they fall from heaven. You think so? Wetin go be your gain if Chike doesn't fail? He just did like this man. Mazikechukwu. This man, if they talk, you know, people are blessed. Biafrans are really blessed. People are blessed. I don't know why people just you go live waiting. Some people, some of our commentators, some of them, they try message them. They appreciate them. Some of these are our commentators. Because the role, God just give them the gift to share, encourage Biafrans anywhere where they see Biafran platform. They know the person, they know they just see the person, they encourage them. Because now their grace be that. Now, because of all the old agitators or all the old social media warriors, they don't know you. Okay, me too, I won't go open my own social media platform. Make a concert to try to down talk some people so that they go feel put me. Who they put you on top? Who they all these things? Okay, this is because of say on social media don't arrive. Guy, you be nothing. You be nobody. You be nobody. You do social media. Come and say you be anything. You mean say you be anything by okay, all this one they do. You write, hey, my brother, write down. Hey, my brother, write down. My this thing, write down. Then I go come, my head go come swell. You go come the big. Hey, I don't arrive. Oh. You dey mad. You dey mad. You wake up. This one what they do and I be the issue. Make it not be like say we keep the hair mute. Say our leader not there. And I make me they appreciate those who see they come out they talk. But me on Agita TV, before you go see me come out come talk, no say I get vital information I won't come pass. I get announcement I won't come make. Before you go see me outside. I not just come here, come the and I not get the grace. If they see me say I they mix with my comrade, I they use their I they move with their own grace. That is why we are comrade. Now them they carry me. Now then they carry me. I they tap from their grace to move. If you see me on media with them, I they tap from their grace. I am tapping from their grace. This is the way I talk today. Some of them say me and them they quarrel. Some of them me and them will really not they talk. But does that mean make I not talk the truth? If they do well, as far as this struggle is concerned, I will say it because even I not talk you not take waiting, you not take away your quality. Your quality and your quality. If I talk I might not talk, I might appreciate them, I might not appreciate them. Your quality still remains with you. And you know go come up for your body, can't add to my body. Yes, what I'm saying. You don't because you are people are now listening to you, you are doing social media, blah blah blah. People are watching you. Right down, Odogu, you are hardcore, you are this, you are our leader now. Now we go to collect order from now. You believe say don't arrive. You are a madman. You are a madman. You are a madman. You are a stupid human being. You are a madman. You are a mad woman. Call yourself to order. Call yourself to order. Because this family, so nobody, if you say, I will turn Biafran against you. You go turn them against yourself. People will come after you, no go ask them. You no go ask them how far. People will come before you, I mean. You no go ask them how far. You no go tell them what happen. Even those where they carry for nobody, they not run common for them. Now, those are the person where they nearly give where they nearly expel common for IPOB now. The Lucifer where they nearly expel common for IPOB now. The people where all of them they do Yeah, move on. We do your back. We must fund this IPOB. We must fund Chike Dozem. Move on. We move on. All of them, they don't come meet Chike Dozem. If you know hear her now, they hear her. All of them, they come back, come they meet us. They come back, come they meet us. But then they push you. You think say you don't arrive. They go push you. They go come out shock for your leg. Push you for free. You go use a NAPO. No consign me. Until when it don't happen, you go come clear for you. I say, oh boy, not be the way where I really say this thing go be like. You know, say some people say, even you yourself, you know, say the two way they do, they want me you fail. They want me you fail. You know, no Biafrans. They won't make you fail, so they're going to push you like say they your back. When it go set, you go not say you are alone. Oh God, Biafrans. Very very amazing people. Very amazing people. Everybody get grace. If you na social media be your grace, good. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. This person, this guy, they always talk about the grace where this guy gets inside IPOB today, inside this struggle today. The truth be say, the thing what this guy they do. If you say because say you don't get, at least he get the time in they do those things. Make una appreciate them. And the person too, make you not let them enter in head. Make you not let them enter in head. Because if Biafra push you, it get where they go push you, they go come out shock for your leg. Because that's the way they do. Some people that they jealous of you. Some people that they jealous of you, they go tell you say that they your back. They go tell you say that they for your this thing. They go tell you say now you be Odogu, now you be Onorogu, now you be Otiribo, now you be on and off. In fact, now you be our new or Amadike, now you will they collect order from your mouth now. If it get where they go push you rich. When they don't say they don't push you rich, no place of return again. They come commercial for your leg. By the time when you go look back, those people they go tell you don't mind them. That is how the leadership do. But then not staying them, they go meet leadership to seek the attention of that same leadership. Those people where they go they castigate Chike Dozem, they say they go meet them to go seek your attention. They look for your attention. But you, because I say they get 1,000 views or one whatever, you think say you don't arrive. They go push you. You are doing a very fantastic job. No doubt about that. No doubt. Nobody. No. And if, now waiting, our leader said they appreciate them, but no let them push you. Reach where they will come out shook for your leg. Don't let them, because this family, you see this IPOB, where Chike Dozem they in charge now, led by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You see this IPOB, no human being go fit bring them down. No human being go fit turn Biafran back to the IPOB, because they be all and all, and then be the IPOB, and then be the structure. You know if you bring them down, you know yes, a leader tell you say now 1,000 years, I mean 100 years. To bring them down. Before that 100 years go complete, we don't rebuild them for another 1,000 years. So as they finish 100 years, they pursue another 1,000 years. You no get idea of waiting there. You no just get idea at all. You no get idea. You don't have idea. You there your platform. Those days, what did they do? Me on Ajit as a person, I love it. And I respect that. But don't let that enter your head. Now be the point where they try me. Even Biafrans they push you. Those people they come your platform, they push you. Don't let them push you. And after all, if they tell person, they don't go tell person. Human be like you know go tell you say make you chook and for fire, make you chook and now. Don't worry, anybody who don't go delay, they go come back. Anybody who delay, it will surely come back. We no dey on hurry. Soldier go, soldier come. Barak remain the same. Barak remain the same. Barak remain the same. Anyhow way you see him, anyhow way you feel him. No let Biafrans push you. If you allow Biafran push you, they go come up for your back. Those ones will push the person where they nearly expel come up for IPOB now. The people will push them. They don't go to meet chicken, but they don't go tell you say they go to meet them. Oh God! I don't make this my even tell me make even give me order. Make I they post all the evidence where I get. Make you even give me. He not going to laugh. He not going to laugh. Say, see hypocrisy of high order or hypocrisy of the highest order. Maybe this man not going to say, if he give me the order now, I will just post them for our page there. And I'm going to see both the one of voice note, both the one of writing. And I'm going to see everything there. The same people when they push you, fall chicken dozen, fall IPOB leadership. Make sure say they fall. Make sure say they fall. Now them saying them go they make chicken dozen for back. They seek your office. You no get sense. You no get sense. And I don't make them clear again. Nobody remove our mama, my mother. Nobody remove and come off IPOB, come off for US. The person of Madam Josephine Erewa, no go area. Nobody touch her. Nobody touch her. Nobody touch her. And nobody, because the woman is whiter than white and whiter than snow. Madam, mama na elderly person. Anything way mama talk, me na just leave mama alone. Me na just leave her. Anything way she talk, me na leave her. We are talking about those who be say, me na just leave mama alone. Our prayer now for we to get Biafra for her, so that she go feel enjoy what she labor for before she go old and see her children and before she join her ancestors. Make nobody go close to mama, please. If they do saga, they do saga. No involve mama, please. I beg. That woman today this thing to be involved in all these things. And if you say mama talk this one, mama talk, me na just leave mama. Me na leave mama. Even the leadership, they respect that. Even the leadership, they respect that. Me na leave mama alone from the old saga we na they make. Nobody they join na they do saga. Me I not follow na they do now all this na small picking, all this all this. I don't want to talk bad words from my mouth because if I start to talk, some people will just as they just hear my video finish, they will just hang themselves. Now we just hear say some IPOB comrade they commit suicide. So anybody, if inside this struggle where we do so, if you don't know say IPOB don't tire you, just remove yourself. Because na Chike Dozem na him see they run the IPOB. Leader they always tell you say na him they run day-to-day IPOB activities. Leader they chop am from mouth. If they sing them like music. The man now they come social media come and say you go feel bounce on now. You not even mind if you go tell you I beg all these are scraps. You see, you not even the mind you now. Not the mind you now. Say please, what do we have? What do we have at hand? The project where we get, where we don't carry and reach. This is what they do, how we don't achieve them. What is the man they always discuss with that? If you carry and one person say for social media, another person attack you for social, you not concern them. If you even tell them that kind of thing, if it warn you 2 times, you're not going to pick your call again. That is who he is. Because you don't get time for gossip. You don't move on. Now, how in father, our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out. Now, in the HO, the important. No be all those gossip that they carry from one place to another. And those animals, when they do them, Very shameless people. Shameless people. Shameless people. The grace when you get, nobody they follow you. You have a wonderful grace. I respect that. But don't let Biafrans push you. The woman where Biafra don't push now, where she don't, after they don't kick him out, Biafra never come out for him back. Biafrans never come out for her back. They don't come out now. You know what they clear for her eye? I don't hear the saga within them. Say, so he literally go meet HOD. He literally go meet the same chick I does. You don't know say you go meet him before. You don't know say as if they push you, may you fight Chike Dozem. As if they push you, may you they fight IPOB leadership. You don't know say in they go they pave way for himself for the leadership to make peace with the leadership. You don't know. You don't know because you don't get sense. You don't get sense. And if people like we they advise you go think say we they do another thing. I beg you, I don't get time for all these things. I don't even get strength for all these things. The message where I won't come pass here today. Now here I don't pass and I don't make them clean and very clear. Madam Josephine Erewa is still part and parcel full. When I mean full, a very hardcore. Hard to the core. Part and parcel of Directorate of State, DOS. Nobody remove her. Because she has not done anything that warrants a removal. So she's still part and parcel. And for your information, why did they remove her from DOS platform? DOS platform is no more existing. They have removed everybody. Every DOS, they have closed the platform. HOD have done what? Have closed the platform. So for your information, if you see where they for the gossip this issue, tell them say they don't close the platform. You know they exist. Me or Najite Naim they tell you. And I have evidence that they have closed the platform. Because we have a lot of our people in that same DOS. And not be only mama. Not be only my mother and I be DOS member for Coastal Region. We many with the inside our coastal representative many inside the US. Not be only Oni. So make nobody drag that respectable elderly woman into your dirty house where they drag. Let nobody drag her into it. Please. Just leave that woman. Waiting that woman needs from you now to go fight for Biafra. You where you still dey young, either man or woman, go fight for Biafra, come give her. Make him get joy before she go join her ancestors. And she will get old and old. Live donkey years in Biafra land as a Biafra. That is only what she needs from us. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Now so, my brother, Chike doesn't want to mind them. I will leave mind them. But the concern Chike doesn't want those ones. If you even go carry that kind of thing, go meet Chike doesn't. If you want you the first time, want you the second time, you not go pick your call again. I him be the highest thing. So Chike doesn't not get, you know, get business with all those people. Yeah, so make I even call listening to waiting on the right smoke. If you get any question, ask. You can ask through the comment section. I don't pick call this evening, so ask through the comment section. But if you have my number, you can call me as well. But I'm not pinning the number here. Thank you, Agunaya Ugu. Hey, Ugu. Hey, no vessel. Do I pronounce? Do I pronounce it well? No vessel, my brother. Wait, Agunaya. I call her where? Agunaya Ugu. Ugu. Hey, I don't know, maybe na Ugu or na Uku. No, be Uku. Ugu. No be Ugo. Ugu. UGWWU. Yeah. Ugu. Agunaya Ugu. My brother, you are doing well. God bless him. God bless him. Thank you very much. Chinenye Iguilo. Yeah, Biafrans, more talk small. If you get question, no look say who be this small person with small Najito go answer. I go answer, and anything I tell you, just collect them na fact and figures. So if you get any question, you can ask. Thank you, Ite Pounds. Thank you very much. Ifeanyi Ifeanyi Chukwu John Paul Mma. You are not seeing your name finish. Ifeanyi Chukwu John Paul. Thank you very much, Biafrans. Thank you. Thank you. IPOB is unbreakable. Nobody, no individual will break IPOB. No, nothing like that. Obi now, Ugu. What's the meaning of Ugu? Huh? People they bear the name very well, and people when they bear the name, they are mentally tested. They are tested and trusted. These are hardcores. Nice on you. Oshe Ebo. I think this one resembles names from coastal region. Ebo. Okay. IPOB is unbreakable. Hey, nobody could feel break IPOB. Where you for they see that kind of dream? You feel dream am, you don't go wake up, you go rush, you go wake up. You know feel happen. Nobody feel break IPOB. No. Not at all. Not at all. It can't happen. And our mother, my mom, Madam Josephine Erewa, I am proudly her son. She's still part and parcel of the DOS, so nobody remove her from DOS. This one okay. This Biafra get bad mouth. Bishop concept Ima. Bishop concept Ima, you do well. Yeah. Nobody go fit destroy IPOB. Nobody. Please make una talk to me. I dey gbadun this in our comments. I dey see some media too. I don't block people. I no fit block people for this platform. If na my platform, I fit block person. But for here, I no fit block anybody. Rugged Bible. Hey, see how it costs them. This guy, they always see him everywhere. Rugged Bible. Rugged Bible. See men. Okay now. Yes, ride on. Now like this. You know say, una will be Biafrans. Una will be all these commentators. Una can push people, Una go hear some people. Their hair go down big. They go come look. They go they see themselves like another Nnamdi Kanu. They go they see themselves as another Nnamdi Kanu. Even when man say Nnamdi Kanu dey, people won't come out for where he dey. They won't overtake him. Not to talk of a chicken to say, now they not go make attempt. Yeah, this is a good idea. I think Joseph, wait, please, Joseph, please recopy your comment. The comment is fasting. Please, bro, can you please tell Mazi Chika to be broadcasting at least 2 times a week? I think it needed. now our leader is not here. You are right. This is a very good idea. If not this one at top, why not? Why not? And be rest assured, I'm going to pass your message across. Mazi Gadozem, as head of DOS, his admonition to Biafrans will be needed. Please, my suggestion. No say Mazi Gadozem no be social media type. Even as our leader, they say he's the one, HOD is the one running IPOB. But he has every department inside IPOB. Now they run them day to day. Yeah, now they run them. So upon all this, it will get. If you see this man, sometimes I go just, I know they like it to even call because I know they too they occupy. I know say today occupy. If I even see because I appreciate them because I know say they occupy inside those stress. You see they call. So it means that a leader where they carry everybody along. And a very humble man. Very humble man. Now some people take that position. You know even if you talk to them. This guy, he get bad mouth. I always see your hand everywhere where they go. Your mouth too bad, Biafrans. See, one thing you need to understand, most of those people who are saying, they even, let me tell you, maybe, God forgive me, some of these DOS members, they don't even have idea of what is going on. They are just carrying rumor. So if one DOS member, maybe you get contact of one DOS member, then I don't feed you with junk. You go call social media, what they talk now. Doesn't make you are just disgracing yourself on social media. If you are being fed with junk by one DOS member, you know how many DS members were there? So I'm not even because maybe all of them even attend meeting. So some people just they find power and make them know say the DS member. But if they reach there, they know they fit do anything. Now so they look like monkey. Mo. Yeah. If you see, this is exactly what I'm saying. If you see true Biafrans, they would ask question, a very provocative question, but they know what they do and to say they want. You know whenever they say they castigate the. If you get question, you ask. These are genuine questions. Please ask the HOD. Is there any Biafran? Is there anything Biafrans can do? Apart from sit at home, please, we need to do something. Even let me tell you something, my sister. Even the HOD is still, they say they suspend. They said, not that they ban the sit at home. Not that they ban the sit at home. And as we speak, there are pressure taken to the prison to make sure that leader lift that ban. Because that sit at home is a very deadly weapon. It's a very deadly weapon. I can assure you, my sister. I can assure you. So they are also putting pressure now to make sure that leader also give order that they should leave that they should carry on. They should leave the ban on sit at home. There are a lot of strategy. There are a lot of strategy, especially on ground. Very soon, I go say so. Even Zoom military, they no go fit enter. They no go fit enter Biafran land again. They no go see any ESN physically to combat with firearm again. But they no go fit enter Biafra again with fear. I think this is the way they happen for Abasonia. Very soon they go the year and hot for Biafra land. We are changing strategy. The game has changed. I can assure you all. My brother. You say where is Coastal Region? Coastal Region. I am from Coastal Region. Coastal Region. Coastal Region of Biafran land comprises those area, anywhere where you hear they call Niger Delta. Now the area where they call Coastal Region be that. Oh, Ejiro, blood, see hardcore. People they can't talk anyhow on social media. No. These kind of people, they respect them a lot. I dey like this guy comment. I beg, make na let this guy comment. Make him comment. Pump in. Waiting be his name again. I dey like this guy comment. Ifeanyi Chukwu and waiting be this guy. Make I look for them. I beg, I need this guy comment. If you have question, ask. If you have any question, ask. I am not speaking on behalf of the leadership, but anything I tell you here, know that say na confirm, dusted and confirm and seal. No be gossip or whatever. Or I hear them for one DOS member, can't tell another DOS member. No. So if you guys don't have any question.